Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. In today's video, we are going to be making granola chocolate cookies. These delectable treats are a wonderful fusion of granola's wholesome crunchiness and the delightful richness of chocolate. So guys, let's get started. You know Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. First, preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Then we're gonna move on to the ingredients. For this recipe, you're going to need flour, baking soda, cinnamon, salt, granola, brown sugar, ginger, vanilla extract, butter, 1 egg, and chocolate chips. Let's set this aside and let's get started. Next, in a large mixing bowl, cream together the softened butter and brown sugar until it becomes light and fluffy. Now we're gonna beat in 1 egg. Mix until well combined. Next, we're gonna stir in the vanilla extract. Now we're gonna set that aside and work on our dry ingredients. In a separate bowl, add flour, ginger, cinnamon, salt, and baking soda. Then mix well until well combined. This looks good. Now we're gonna go ahead and combine wet and dry ingredients along with the granola. We're gonna just mix this until just combined. Next, gently fold in chocolate chips until they are evenly distributed throughout the cookie dough. Now using an ice cream scoop, we're gonna drop cookie dough onto prepared baking sheet, leaving some space between each cookie. A shout out to Happy Mancha Traveler. Guys, go check her out, subscribe, like, share her videos, and leave a comment. Tell her you are sent by Mama Bui's Kitchen. That's my daughter's channel, guys. And I'll also leave the link down below in the description box. Road to 10K. She's been stuck for months on 9,000. Also check my ebook, Mama Bui's 20 Best Chicken Recipes, that I have compiled, guys, for you so you can enjoy them with your family. The link will be down in the description box. Now back to the video. These granola cookies are a delightful blend of two beloved treats, granola and chocolate chips. They combine the crunchy goodness of granola with the rich, indulgent flavor of chocolate chips. Now, once done filling our pans, we're gonna go ahead and bake in the preheated oven for about 10 to 12 minutes or until the edges are lightly golden. It's been 10 minutes now. I pulled out my cookies from the oven. The center may still look slightly undercooked, but that's okay. The cookies will continue to cook as they cool. Allow the cookies to cool on the baking sheets for a few minutes before transferring them to wire racks to cool completely. This recipe yields 3 dozens of cookies. Now we're gonna transfer them onto a cooling rack. Once the cookies are completely cooled, indulge in the delightful combination of crunchy granola and gooey chocolate chips in every bite. There you have it, guys. Now you have a simple recipe for delicious granola chocolate chip cookies. Enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a video. And thank you guys for always coming to watch my videos. Until next time, guys. Bye. See you on my next video.